Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. I missed you guys so much. It is your girl Yanni, the headband queen. That is me, honey. If you're new to my channel, thank you for watching, and if you are a returning viewer or a subscriber, welcome back as well. Thank you so much for sticking with me. I am here, hunty, with a one-of-a-kind video just for you lovelies, and I am unboxing my very first luxury piece. It is the Gucci Ophidia Double G Supreme Pouch, y'all. It was an early birthday present to myself. Shout out to the Libras. And I am so happy to unbox it with you. If you guys know anything from watching my other videos, you know I do not like paying full price for anything. However, we all know there are some things that, girl, you ain't getting on sale. You're not gonna get it on sale. It's not gonna be half price. It's not gonna be 20% off. You're gonna pay regular coin for that item, and this is she. So I am so happy to bring this video to you. So let's get to it. So right away I'm digging it already because it came with its own separate shopper tote by Gucci. So shout out to Gucci for hooking your girl up with an extra item. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty large, I'll be honest with you. It has Gucci on both sides, and it's just a regular canvas shopper tote. It's really big. You can use it for grocery shopping or shopping at your favorite retail store, what have you. It was just an extra item that was in the box, so thank you to Gucci for that. This is she, honey, in the flesh. So beautiful green box. It came with this envelope, and I'm assuming that this is probably receipts. Yes, so all of this is just a receipt and a return shipping label, which I will not be using because we are one now, girlfriend. Use mine, okay? So this is what the box looks like. The ribbon says Gucci. And we're gonna tear into it. I'm way too freaking excited, okay? And I do have to shout out Amanda, who goes by Lux Mommy on YouTube. I was like looking for some reviews to kind of give me a better idea of what the pouch looked like, felt like, what can fit, and she did a fabulous review of this same pouch. So thank you so much. You definitely helped sway my decision to spend the coin to get this beauty that I have. So thank you so much. If you have not checked out her channel, please check her out. She's fabulous. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the inside. It was wrapped in some beautiful paper, which is also green. I am not going to tear it because I may want to use it for something else. This is what it's wrapped in. It comes with its own dust bag that it will be stored in when I'm not using it. And oh my gosh, y'all, I'm so excited. So excited. So this is she. This is a side profile. Or a sideways glance, but this is what it looks like. It is the Gucci Signature Double G Canvas, Gucci hardware, of course, zipper. I literally just took it out the box, so everything is still attached. Gucci hardware. This is the back of it, so no pocket in the back. You just have this smaller pocket, which looks like this. And it has the Gucci care instructions and information about Gucci in the bag in here. And this smaller pouch is actually, oh, it came with this too, which looks like control information. It's actually pretty spacious. If you want to see a little bit closer, this pouch is really spacious. It could easily fit my iPhone 12 Pro Max and some other essentials just in this pocket alone. The inside of it is a microfiber material with this suede-like finish. It is super, super soft, extremely soft. It is also very light, which I will show you. Super light. Very, very soft. So if you decide to purchase this or already have it, you know, probably not a good idea to put lipsticks in here, or maybe lip glosses or anything that might leak or tarnish the inside of the lining. Anything that is of darker color, I would maybe put those items in a smaller pouch or something in here. That's just my take on that. Yeah, because you just don't want to damage the inside. It's just so pretty. It's gorgeous. Absolutely freaking gorgeous. And I'm not exaggerating. This is the Gucci label right here. You guys can see that. It is super spacious. Absolutely spacious. I will do a separate video about what can fit in this bag pouch. And then also comparing it to some other pouches that I have, like MCM, just as a size comparison, price comparison, what can fit type of deal. I just wanted to do a really quick unboxing for you guys and just show you how absolutely amazing this little pouch is. Like I said, it retails for $650. You get a lot of space for the price and the fact that it is a luxury item. I can tell just by the look and the feel of it that it's going, if you take care of this baby, it will last for quite some time. You're going to get a lot of wear out of it. And I think this is something that I will probably pass down to one of my daughters when they get older. They'll be able to use this and it will still be very classic, a very classic piece, very chic, something that they can easily add to any outfit to look pulled together at a moment's notice if they have to leave out of the house for any type of event or whatever. So here we go again. Last look, guys. Double G's here, canvas here, the signature Gucci red and green webbing right here. It is absolutely beautiful. Feels amazing, looks amazing. I absolutely cannot wait to wear it. But again, I'll do another video with more detail about this particular pouch. So if you have any questions, comments, please put them below. If you're not a subscriber and you loved what you saw or like my other content, please don't be shy. Hit subscribe and turn on those notifications so that you can get notified when I do another video. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you all are having a fabulous day and have a fabulous rest of your week. Thanks for watching. Toodles.